Hey everyone, today I will show you how to enable secondary verification in Binance. First of all, open the Binance app or website and log into your account. Once inside, tap the profile icon in the upper right corner and click Security. Now, in the security settings, you will find the two-factor authentication section. Binance offers multiple options like SMS authentication, Google Authenticator, and email verification. To set up Google Authenticator, tap on it and follow the prompts to download the app if you don't have it. Once downloaded, scan the QR code provided on Binance using the Google Authenticator app. Scan the QR code provided on Binance using your Google Authenticator app. After scanning, you will see a 6-digit code appear in the app. Enter this code into Binance to complete the setup. This code will refresh every 30 seconds, adding an extra layer of security. And that's it. Thanks for watching.